I need the address of where you are staying, hotel name and full address.
Yes, I have it. It's in my email, just...
Oh no. Oh no.
This is Lilly. 4 hours ago, she was in her home city, nervous, excited, a little bit terrified. She took a taxi, she checked in, she survived security, she found her gate. She flew for the very first time ever. And now she is here, a new airport, a new country. All she has to do is answer 3 questions at immigration, and her phone just died.
Miss, the address, please.
My phone, it just... I'm so sorry. Excuse me? A phone charger? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Come on. I'm so sorry. Here it is. The Grand Central Hotel, 14 Park Avenue, room 204.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, it's here.
Purpose of visit.
Holiday, visiting a friend. 7 days.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
First time?
Really, you saved me.
You'll be fine. Welcome.
She was through immigration, one challenge down. And then Lilly looked up and saw the sign, baggage claim.
Hi there. Can I help you?
My bag. It didn't come. I was on flight EA447 from home, and my bag it's not on the belt.
Of course. Don't worry. Do you have your baggage claim ticket?
Yes. Here. It's a brown one, small, a yellow tag on the handle. My name is on the tag. Lilly.
Got it. Let me check the system.
Then where is it?
Excuse me, does anyone own this bag? Brown one, yellow tag?
That is mine.
Fell off the belt near the corner. Happens more than you'd think. You're all set. Enjoy your stay.
Lilly had her bag. She had her passport. She had her phone, now at 6%. All she had to do now was get to the hotel. She opened the taxi app. No signal. She would have to find a taxi herself, outside, in a country she had never been to before.
Excuse me, are you free?
Yes, where to?
The Grand Central Hotel, 14 Park Avenue, please.
Grand Central? Yes, I know it. Get in.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Excuse me?
Yes.
How long until we arrive?
Grand Central? Maybe 5 more minutes.
Okay. And is it near the city center?
This one? No, it's near the stadium. The other Grand Central is downtown.
Wait, there are 2 Grand Central hotels?
Yes, one near the stadium, one downtown. Which one?
14 Park Avenue. 14 Park Avenue.
Ah, that's downtown. Different one. I'm sorry. I take you there now.
Okay.
Here, I'm very sorry about the confusion. The meter is 17 euros and 80 cents, but I'll make it 15 euros for the mistake.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind. Here, 15 euros. Thank you for driving me.
Enjoy your stay. Welcome to the city.
Okay, almost there. Just check in. Easy.
She had 10 euros left. She had 6% battery. She had one more thing to do. Check into the hotel. How hard could it be?
Hello? I have a reservation. My name is Lilly.
Good evening. Let me check that for you.
Is something wrong?
I don't seem to have a reservation under that name. Can you spell it again?
Lilly?
I'm checking. No, I'm sorry, I don't have anything.
That's not possible. I booked it. I have the confirmation.
Miss, I see the problem. Your booking is for tomorrow night, not tonight.
Tomorrow?
Yes, you've booked for the 15th. Today is the 14th.
Okay. Is there a room available tonight?
Let me check.
Yeah, please.
It's a superior room, 180 euros for tonight.
180 euros?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, dear.
I'm sorry, the card has been declined.
Can I try again?
Of course, yes.
I don't understand. It should work. Excuse me, my card was blocked. I think my bank did it because I'm in a foreign country. I have my booking confirmation for tomorrow night. I made a mistake with the date. I booked the wrong night. I'm alone, my phone is dead, and I don't know what to do.
How long have you been traveling today?
Since 6 a.m., I had my first immigration, my bag got lost, my taxi went to the wrong hotel, and I booked the wrong date.
That is quite a day.
Yes.
We have a standard room available tonight. It's smaller than the superior room, but the price matches your original booking, 89 euros. If you can call your bank tomorrow to unlock your card, you can pay the difference then. Tonight, I'll register you under tomorrow's booking and move your reservation to this evening.
You can do that?
It's a long day for everyone. We can do that.
Can I also... Is there a charger anywhere? My phone is completely dead.
Yeah, of course. Welcome to the hotel, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Today, Lilly had survived immigration with a dead phone. She had found her missing bag. She had corrected a taxi going to the wrong hotel. She had handled a booking mistake alone in English and found a solution. And she had done all of it in a language she is still learning. Tomorrow, Emma has planned the whole day. All Lilly has to do is get there. And Lilly will have to take the city bus alone. Comment Bus Lilly, and part 4 drops this week.